In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram story. Now, the first thing is to go to your story and then search for a video or a picture that you want to upload. Let's say I want a video right here. Now, if I want to upload this, all I have to do is to go tap on sharing my story. Now hit done. And as you can see, it's quite uploading yet. So in order for you to delete that, all you have to do is to tap on the airplane mode and wait for it. Now, since the Wi-Fi is down or the internet connection is down, all you have to do is to tap on these three dots right here and click on delete. Now you can just delete this before it finishes uploading. So we just have to tap on this one and now your story has been deleted. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!